Listen closely. These are words from the wise one. Sometimes silence isn't peace, it's pain trapped behind pride. You smile, you laugh, you say I'm fine, but deep down you're fighting wars no one can see. See, let me tell you, the wise know. Silence can heal, but it can also destroy. When you hold too much inside, you start drowning in your own thoughts. Speak when it matters. Cry when it hurts. Let your soul breathe. Because strength isn't always in staying silent. Sometimes it's in asking for help. So today, let go. Don't suffer in silence. Even the strongest walls crumble when they hold too much weight. If you felt this word deeply, drop a comment and do not fail to share this video. Someone out there needs to hear this. And if it's your first time coming across my video, do not fail to subscribe or follow for more. Peace and love.